In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a welcome email in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about what a welcome email is. A welcome email is your first opportunity to make a great impression on your new subscribers. It welcomes them into your community, sets the tone for what they can expect, and can even provide some valuable information that will enhance their experience with your content. So getting this right is crucial. Now that we understand the importance of a welcome email, let's go ahead and jump into the Beehiiv platform. If you haven't already created an account, go ahead and do that. You can easily sign up using your email, and it only takes a minute or two. Once you're all set up and signed in, you're ready to start. The first step in creating your welcome email is to navigate to the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You should see different options along the sidebar. Look for the one that says Emails or Newsletters. Clicking on this will take you to the email management section of Beehiiv. Once you're there, you should see an option that says Create New Email. Click on that button, and this will set you up to craft your email from scratch. Now you'll want to select the option for an autoresponder email, which is what we'll use for our welcome email. This ensures that new subscribers receive your email automatically after they sign up. Now it's time to get creative. The first thing you'll want to do is write a suggestive subject line. This is what your subscribers will see right in their inbox. You want it to be engaging and inviting, so think about something like, "Welcome to the family," or "Thanks for joining us." Make it as personal as you can. This makes a world of difference. As you move down to the main body of your welcome email, you'll want to start with a warm greeting. This could be something simple, like, "Hello and welcome," or "Hi there, we're so glad to have you with us." Follow that up with a brief introduction about who you are and what your subscribers can expect from your emails. This could include what type of content you share, how often they'll hear from you, and maybe even a little backstory on what inspired you to start your newsletter or community. Next, consider adding some value right away. Perhaps you have some useful resources or a special welcome gift that you can offer your new subscribers. This could be a free ebook, a discount code, or even exclusive access to some of your best content. Make sure to highlight this part. People appreciate tangible benefits for joining. Also, don't forget to encourage your new subscribers to engage with you. You might want to invite them to follow you on social media, join a community group, or simply hit reply to share their thoughts. This helps to build that crucial connection and makes your subscribers feel valued. Once you've finished crafting your message, it's time to think about the visual design. Beehiiv offers a variety of templates that you can use to make your email visually appealing. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and images to match your brand's aesthetic. Just make sure that the look of your email is cohesive with the rest of your communications. After you're happy with how your email looks and sounds, take a moment to preview it. This is your chance to catch any typos or mistakes before it sends out to your new subscribers. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save or Publish button. And there you have it. You've just set up a welcome email in Beehiiv. Now, give yourself a pat on the back. It's a small but impactful step in building a relationship with your audience. If you found this video helpful, definitely think about subscribing and liking, as I'll be sharing more tips and tricks on making the most of your email marketing. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!